Biscuit. So welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having a good day. So today's video is just going to be me organizing all my nail polishes on my new nail polish rack. I did get this from my nail supply store when I went. If you haven't seen my previous video, which is my vlog when I went to the nail supply store, then please check that out. It will be linked down below. I basically got this nail rack for $40 and it holds 128 polishes. So as you can see, I don't have 128 polishes as I got rid of a few, or I shouldn't say a few, I got rid of some old ones and then kept the ones that I like, and then I just started to put my D&D up, and then I went to my China Glaze, then I went to Color Club, and then I went to LA Colors, and so on and so forth, my Model 1s. So in this video, that's basically what you will see me doing in. I didn't do this in any particular order. I just kind of went with the flow because I had the music going, had my Justin Timberlake playing in the background. So you'll see me kind of like whistling and humming and singing. I love Justin Timberlake. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7. Also make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that way you don't miss another video whenever I upload. Also, drop some comments down below and let me know what videos you want to see, whether or not you like the vlogs, if you like my videos where I do just everyday things. So let me know in the comments down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.